Okay, I'm here with a big picture sample box. I'm going to open it up, see what I've got. Okay, lots of things to make and do with. I'm just going to get rid of the box down here. And I'm just going to lay out the pad here. So this is a situation immediately within seconds. You sat with your colleague, you've been talking about something in the business that interests you both. Immediately you get your pens out, you can start adding to the pad up here, putting the purpose or the mission up here, and actually start using big picture here. And you can then use these poker chips which are provided in the sample kit to draw attention to different parts of the business, which you can then use these stickers to peel off and stick onto the pad here and here. And on conversation goes using big picture. This is what the sample kit allows you to do, an insight into how you would use the product.